Mommy. Mom.
She's gone enough.
And I woke up with the bathroom and the phone ring, and it was Kim up here called me. Sis, have you looked outside the water? No, Kim, I ain't looked outside, and I looked out the bedroom, the bathroom window, which is right yonder, the bathroom window. The water was almost up to that window. What am I gonna do? Time I got from the kitchen, I seen the refrigerator go over. Time I got from the refrigerator back to my bed, the water was up on my knees. This happened, the Lord got me back to my bed, and there I laid down my bed and just started crying and praying.
In this bed right here, you could see the chaos that's in this room and what it must have been like hearing all that crashing around, feeling the whole building move, feeling the water rise, and wondering what was going to happen. And she says she blacked out. She lost some time, you know, when she kind of, there's pieces of the night that she doesn't even remember, and I assume that that's a defense mechanism for her brain, you know, blanking that out from her memory, because, you know, you look at the walls buckled, you look at the floor buckled, you look at the mud and the muck that's in here, everything, the refrigerator's tumbled over, furniture tumbled over, and what that must have been like inside here in the pitch black, feeling the water rise, hearing all that going on and crashing, and feeling the whole house moving, and not knowing. A lot of people who were in their homes when they got hit with water did not survive. The homes broke into a million pieces and washed down the creek, and some of those people have not even been found yet.
And the water was a slushing up under the bed, under the hospital bed I was in. Everything was thump, 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 thump. It's amazing, just look at that. Just look at it. And then after I looked out, there's that Diane on some metal out there. And I said, come on in, baby, and join Mommy. Mommy's in here. And she come in with me. Me and her was left there, and that's all was left, me and her. Didn't see Jake no more. Oh, yeah, it's unreal for me to be living, you know.
So, Miss Jeanne,
Yeah.
United Survivors Disaster Relief and our generous donors and Storm Ventures Group did some talking, and we want to help you out. And we're going to contribute $50,000 to get you toward getting a new home. We're going to work with you getting rebuilt here. We would like to see you get rebuilt, maybe elevated a little bit in a safer spot. Maybe a safer spot on the land so you don't get flooded out again.
Up there's where I want to go to.
Okay. It's okay. You survived for a reason. We want to make sure that you're okay.
And the most I've ever had. I go for 40 days. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord.
Hey guys, Anthony Delmedico, SVG founder and CEO. My team and I have been out here raising awareness and getting supplies to Kentucky flood victims, along with Doug Quinn, founder and president of United Survivors Disaster Relief. I was so moved by the situation on the ground and hearing Anna Jeanne's story and some others that we made a commitment to Anna Jeanne that we're gonna help raise 50 grand and get her a new modular home. Many of us have worked, made money, launched careers or companies, created revenue and sales commissions, as well as lifestyles for ourselves and our families working in the storm restoration industry. It's time to give back. If you'd like to donate funds to assist in the purchase of a modular home for Anna Jeanne, please click below or call 330-57-STORM for more information. Join us and make a difference.